Hello, this is Willie with the Basement Kings. We are in Austin, Texas, where we're looking at a beautiful rehab house, which with a basement built into the side of a hill, and they are now ready to build the basement portion according to what they have. But they're running into a situation. This is a unique type of problem that's well, it's hard to describe. So let's go downstairs and take a look at it. The basement is just under 800 square foot. Bedroom downstairs. Going out, garage, and this is the basement. The basement area is open, and this area has already been excavated. They poured the slab first, put in the steps. There's a French drain in the far right side corner. And right now, I have a water hose in it because I want to see if that line goes out where they believe. And you can see there's room enough for a very small 4-inch French drain. Not the drain that my suggestion, but there's a drain that they were going to do. Caliche rock, but none of the caliche rock has any reinforcement in any way. So except for this small area where the concrete's been pushed into place to hold it and so to keep it from washing out, because it's raining now, and now they've finally seen that there's an issue why they called us in. And how do we know it for sure is because water now is starting to come out of the pier, as you can see. So
I see a small flow coming out.
Okay, and dehumidifier. So the back part of this wall, as you can see, is paneling, and the paneling is not going to stop the water, so the wall's going to have to come out and stop. So they intended to put in a sump over in the far right and far left, but that is only the beginning of this problem. So what we're going to do is we're going to write up a plan on how it should be done and maybe carry it to completion to keep this problem from expanding throughout the house. So if you like our videos, click our like button and hit the subscribe button just in case if you have questions. If you have any issues and you want some general advice, we'll be happy to help you. So let's get busy.
Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, then please subscribe or like our channels and visit us at thebasementkings.net. Thank you and have an excellent day.